I'm older than I used to be. It takes forever just to pee, but circulation still is pretty good. The Lord above has given me the evidence for courtesy. I'm lying in my bed with morning wood.
Oh, the sunrise is calling. It's time to get falling. This time of the day so good. The schedule is steady. I'm up and I'm ready. Let's not waste my morning wood.
Life is hard, but so am I. And happy tears, I know she'll cry because I can't perform another day. Our time is short upon this earth, so while I still have size and girth, I ought to keep on giving her a lay.
Oh, the sunrise is calling. It's time to get falling. This time of the day so good. The schedule is steady. I'm up and I'm ready. Let's not waste my morning wood.
Oh, the future is so bright to me. As long as blood is flowing free, sex with her will always be this good. The functioning I still create gives us the chance to copulate. So bless me, lady, and me morning wood.
Oh, the sunrise is calling. It's time to get falling. This time of the day so good. The schedule is steady. I'm up and I'm ready. Let's not waste my morning wood. Oh, the sunrise is calling. It's time to get falling. This time of the day so good. The schedule is steady. I'm up and I'm ready. Let's not waste my morning wood. Let's not waste my morning wood. Have a taste of my morning wood. In your face with my morning wood.
You heard the man. It's a time to taste, hit your face, don't replace the morning wood. It's your boy YL from the 317. You already know what it is, man. Welcome back to the Game Banger channel, where we focus on banging out those games. Now I hope you brought your bags, because I'm dropping gems like a jewelry thief with this one. And what we doing? We raiding shit like a jewelry thief with this one. As you can see, man, we are growing like my love for these morning wood songs I keep finding. If you're new to the channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and join the game as we get into the money. Now, if you're new or you're watching this on Twitter and you're just passing through and you're like, what's up with this guy and this morning wood obsession? Well, just understand, they're here in the Vote Army. We come hard or we don't come at all, and that's our motto. That's what we do. And today you're gonna see a little bit of that, however many people it is, it doesn't matter. You're gonna watch us go to a chat and take over. Not in a disrespectful way, but more of an here come those vote guys again. Here comes those vote bots and da 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 da. Watch, it's gonna happen. You'll see. This is what we do. We spread the awareness every day. We plant seeds in people's mind. You know what I'm saying? So when the Bulls come, they're not like, oh, I don't remember that vote. I never heard of that vote. They can do their research now and they can be prepared. But without further ado, let's get to it, man. Let me find our first person we're gonna bless with some high voltage. Or actually, let me say what's up to the few people who decided to wake up with us and jump in here and do this, man. Because this is work. I get it. Yeah, get up early. Trust me, I don't be wanting to get up, man. About 20 minutes before the show, I'll be like this close to hitting the cancel button. But then I don't, Then I don't. Ladybug, let's go, let's go. Appreciate you for being here. Colin Windsor, what's up, what's up? Good morning to you. Jawa Votes, what's good? Golf God in the house. And Ladybug's having a good old time, laughing it up with the morning wood raids. You know how we do, man. We got to have some fun at the beginning and throughout the show. But most importantly, we have one mission, one goal, and that is to literally go in people's chats and spread the voltage. Now, we try not to spam, we try not to spam and be annoying. But we are high energy, and we definitely try to contribute to the conversation. I think we're going to skip out on Vincent, the guy who's like, margin call, get him. Don't just delete their comments. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. I think we're going to skip out on him. Just We wanna raid people with good energy, good energy, people who can stay on task and let the chat do what the chat do. We ask questions. They just ignore the questions because there's a lightning bolt there. I don't know what is so intimidating about a fucking lightning bolt, but some people don't like it. There is one Forex guy I think we should try to hit up. It's this one. He's always on. And the
How would you
chat's
not be
open.
surprised today?
And he speaks English. All right, so let's get it. I'm gonna drop it in the chat for y'all, and we can hit him with some good mornings. We're not gonna spend too much time here though, because the guy don't really talk to the chat, so it gets kind of boring kind of quick. But we can still do our thing. Mitchell Abbeys, what's good, brother? Appreciate you for being here. Oh wait, that's Golf God. My bad. Mitchell Abbeys, there you go. Appreciate you for being here. Much love to you, Golf God. Appreciate you, brother. Mitchell Abbeys, appreciate you. Yes, I dropped the link in the chat. This is the guy we are at, Mr. Lorenzo. He's neutral, so
Like gold,
I
silver,
feel like it's worth
commodities, you name it.
It's worth some time.
You can put your money into the stock market. You can buy equities. You can invest into ETFs, exchange traded funds, right? That's like a bag of different types of stocks, formulated and measured into a single stock, you could say. That's the ETF. Then you have government bonds. And government bonds are nothing more than actually loaning your money out to the government. So U.S. government bonds is actually you telling yourself, okay, I want to loan my money to the government, and the government gives you then a fixed interest rate based upon your investment. And the yield right now determines the amount of money you will receive based upon your investment. So in this case, the yield for the 10-year yield, for example, is extremely high. It has been right now at 4.626%. Okay. You know how high that is? That is as high as we had early or late 2007. Late 2007. You know what happened after that?
Trying to hear his
We had
information.
a housing bubble collapse, right? We had a major crisis right there at the time. Major financial crisis.
I don't want to see a financial crisis, but a
around
housing
that moment here. So we're back
cool
at
off
these highs
wouldn't
right
be a bad idea. Especially with the
Almost
fucking
20
rates.
years ago.
Jesus.
Think about that. Not really. 6, 17, 18 years ago. Very, very long time ago at least. So you get a lot of money in return for your investment right now, paid by the government, right? 4.6% per year. That's a lot of money. People tend to do that. Outperforming the inflation, you could say. Now, what tends to happen though, that's the problem, is that the moment that happens and in the moment it gets higher, more people are interested to invest their money. So it actually goes exponential, right? Well, what does it do? What's the problem with that? Well, the problem with that is that people are, putting their money or removing the money from the stock markets, right? From the commodity sector. And they tend to rather than put it into government bonds because that gives them more money, more return on investment. So it draws the liquidity out of the market. And that's an issue. Because if you do that too much, what will happen? The stock market will collapse. And if you look at the stock market right now, look at Netflix. Microsoft. Nvidia. Woo. AMD. Google. Tesla.
Like a Tesla.
The S&P 500. The US 30.
Yeah, what's good? What's
It's
good?
looking good.
Good morning
It's
to
looking
you.
good.
Good morning,
So,
good morning, good
For
morning.
a particular reason, I'm preparing you guys.
You know what we do. Just over here laying some wood.
And I'm ready for it. I'm not going to miss out on it. This is how I personally made my most money during 2021. Okay. And it's all the major signals are there again. So I'm going to help you out for that particular reason. For that particular reason, we have built something in our Discord soon. We're going to launch it. And we're going to create a new format on YouTube as well, which you're going to really like if you're interested. Major moves. Okay. The big money. The big bucks. So for the particular reason, we're preparing for it. And interesting times are coming. Okay. So it's good sometimes to focus on the lower time frame, scalpers, day traders, but there are moments in life where you have to capitalize on these big moves, and these moves are coming. So to answer your question, the correlation is usually what tends to happen. A stronger government bonds tend to be good for the dollar. It tends to move along with the dollar a lot.
He didn't even say
and it
thank you for the
tends to be-
subscription.
or it
Damn,
tends
bro.
to
They
have
just
a-
subscribed and you ain't saying
kind of
shit,
a
bro.
conflict of interest with
Miss
gold,
Wappy, what's good?
therefore
All
a
right.
negative correlation.
Since he didn't say congrats, he didn't acknowledge the new subscriber, man. I don't like that. That's bougie. That boy bougie. That boy bougie as hell, boy. Thank you for subscribing. Nothing. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right, let's go to our guy. What's up, vote guys? All right, let's get this poll out the way. Polls are for strippers. Let's get that out the way. Copy. Paste it to my guys in the chat. What up, guys in the chat? Wow, let's get it. Birdman. Yes, please smash that like for your boy, man. I appreciate it. I greatly appreciate it. Let's go over here to our guy. Let me share my screen. Let's go to our guy, John. Big John. Probably, pause. Imagine rating Big John on the Morning Wood Show. Imagine that. Imagine rating Big John on the Morning Wood Show. Imagine. Good morning, Big John. Pause.
Yeah. Relative is a key word for today, 100%, dude. All right.
His music always fire.
All right, guys. So again, Sean, or not Sean. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the chat. $4,800. Here we come. Can gamers rent games in the Xbox store if they need to? I'm not sure. Melt Up is coming to 4,800. I think we're at a pretty big support level here. I think this little dip looks good too. All right, thank you, Gustavo. All right, guys, we got 18 minutes.
Make sure we hit that like.
400 people here. We still got a little bit under 20 minutes left until this report drops for GDP.
We doing my damn stuff while I'm talking. Oh, I did.
Yeah, hopefully Microsoft does add crypto support. They already got AI locked in terms of interest, and so hopefully they do. Again, we got jobless
Tiff,
claims.
what up? What up?
Or not non-farm payroll.
Appreciate you for being here.
Claims and GDP data today.
46, Luco. Hopefully I said that right. Hey, YL, great content. You explode soon from Slovakia. Best wishes. Voted as fuck. All right, man. We got international in the house all the way from Slovakia.
Today, guys. It'll be interesting to see if we get anything.
Shout out to you for being here. Hopefully you sub to the channel. Yes, welcome. This is the beauty about YouTube. You don't need a passport to see how foolish Americans are. You could just come here on the show and watch me act the ass, and boom, you get your American experience for free. Appreciate you for being here, 46 Luco. Make sure you subscribe, and best wishes to you all the way from Slovakia, man. Look at the voltage worldwide. Look at that, man. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Appreciate you for being here, brother. Appreciate it. Is Ladybug in here for the Morning Wood money bag? You already know. It's like the
We don't
daily
know,
dose.
Sean.
You
He said
can't go a
higher
day without it.
than
You know what I mean?
22% would
Appreciate
signal
you for being here,
economic
Moneybag.
might
Appreciate you
show
for being here, brother.
recession,
Y'all
or
fried,
this
man.
might show
Y'all are
inflation
fried.
fears, right? So again, the market.
Man, I'm bullish on Slovakia, man. They in the chat. Let's go. They in the chat. Let's see. Copy.
But today's kind of a big day.
He said, already subscribed. All right. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. My man. That's what I'm talking about. I dropped it in the chat again for those who popping in and you want to jump over here and raid. John is pretty cool. He's pretty familiar with us. So, let's be respectful. Not too crazy with the spamming. Look at the family man. What a family man. Look at him.
Yeah, again, it depends on how we look at it. And again, y'all can forgive me for I'm not trying to argue with people in chat, but one thing you'll see is that if somebody's bearish, right? If I say, hey, the market's ripping up, obviously I'm talking short term, but it's like if somebody wants to argue, they'll bring up like, oh, look at this one chart isolated at this one time frame. See, the market's not ripping up. It's like, but anybody can do that with literally anything I say, and so it just kind of comes across as like people trying to argue.
See, it's not even the vote army that be trolling. It's other motherfuckers in the chat that be trolling.
Hey, thank you. Charizard? Yeah, we got Charizard. I bought him that a couple months ago. Yeah, we'll see. Again, Nvidia back over the previous closing price too. All right, guys, we got about 500 people here. We still got about 13, 14 minutes left until GDP data drops.
We need some more likes, man. I mean, I know we doing our job.
Again, it depends on what the market's fearing.
But there's 407 people on the stream and only 164 likes.
That the market fears inflation to a certain extent. Right, so if the market fears inflation, then it's not going to want higher GDP data. So like the way it works is if the market's fearing inflation, it wants higher GDP data. Or no, it wants lesser GDP data. If the market's fearing a recession, which does happen.
Omar in the house, what's good? Boss fam, what it do? Appreciate y'all for being here. Good morning to everybody taking the time to participate in the Morning Wood Raids. Appreciate y'all. Honestly, man, sometimes I get caught just watching this guy. I think he knows what the fuck he's doing. I think he knows what the fuck he's talking about.
I want to be right. Rarely succeeded markets. Yeah, for sure. I mean, but there's just a lot of egos here, man. I appreciate everybody.
Yeah, dog. He broke one last week and got a new one this week. No biggie. No biggie.
It's like criticizing me saying, hey, the market.
Hey, thank you, brother. I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. Yeah.
It's just trying to.
When I saw that thumbnail, I already knew he was going to invite me to that one. I already knew. But it was a good time. It was a good time. I loved it. It was a good time.
Of course, everybody does. But
rate this guy Don Vo. I've been seeing that name. I think is he on right now?
Spy still testing those high levels still. And again, I think obviously
I've been seeing that name actually, brother.
Push it up. I mean, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is the market moving up? I think.
Yeah. We rated him a few times.
All the way over the previous closing price, pulled back, and then broke that high
again. We rated him a few times.
I'm not saying it's going to continue up.
We could hit him up in here in a minute. I'm gonna give my man a little bit more. I'm gonna get John like a couple more minutes, and then we can end on Don Vo. I gotta get out of here in a couple minutes, anyways. Gotta put some work clothes on and get up out of here.
Apple right there at about 170. All right, guys. Still got 10 minutes left.
Yeah, music is always fire, Ladybug. Right. Got me over here dancing too, man. In my head. Beats are always fire. Who's in your car? Fanny Pack Inu. When launch? Now that I put it out there, I expect to see it on Dex Tools
Bye.
within the next 5 to 10 hours. I need to see it.
Risk reward is the only right or wrong for sure. You're saying the Magnificent Seven stocks have a huge influence on the S&P 500 symbol? I'm not sure if you're being sarcastic or not, but of course they do, bro. Of course they do, man. Again, the big seven, like you got to think about the heavily weighted stocks in the S&P and the NASDAQ, right? So again, Apple is probably the most heavily weighted stock in both of them, I think. Let me see what the Q is. So again, the Q. All right, so the Q, Apple number one, of course, it's about 11% of the Q. Microsoft number two, about 9.5%. Amazon number three at 5.5%. Nvidia number four. Nvidia is the number four heavily weighted stock in all of these, right? Meta number five, Tesla number six, Google number seven.
Actually, I would definitely enjoy you and El Musa in some live. What's your take on it? And I am done spamming. Big thank you to all the Volt influencers. You all big one. You'll all be big once, Boss Man. Once Boss Man
Again, the thing to
lets it rip.
Is that
me and El Musa got a few videos together, but you know, definitely wouldn't mind getting them on a Sunday service. I think that's the best show for guests. Is the Sunday service. So you know, you just stay tuned.
Yeah, again,
you know,
Volt guys. Listen,
we have a couple of shows together though. We have a couple of videos together. So yeah, I think it's time to link back up with him. You're right about that. I'll make sure to make that happen within the next couple of weeks. You'll see it. I don't know what his schedule's like. I know he's a busy individual, but I'm down.
But like, you know, a lot of y'all are just promoting Volt, which just means you're a low quality viewer. And you might, if you don't understand like the algorithm on YouTube.
What's up, 317? Let's lay the wood on the fools.
And I appreciate the love, guys. Some of you guys are truly here, like, you know, participating and all that good stuff. And some of y'all are just here to promote it and then leave, and that's just a low quality viewer.
You heard him, low quality viewers. Hey, that's why I say when we rate them, let's participate too with the lightning bolts. And let's not pay attention to the fucking haters, man. Fuck them.
There's like 500 total. Those other stocks dropping doesn't move as much. You're saying though. Well, yeah, I'm talking about the heavily weighted stocks, food, right? So the heavily weighted stocks is hey, low quality, that hurts. It's all love here, bro. Listen, I'm not hating. I'm just telling you in terms of the YouTube algorithm, somebody joining the stream and just promoting a cryptocurrency and then leaving is a low quality viewer, brother. I'm not in my standards, but you know. I think we get a short squeeze in equities. Ryan Cohen and GameStop. I thought Ryan Cohen was already the CEO, though. Big respect from Melbourne, Australia. Hey, thanks so much, bro. I'm here from 2021. Hey, thank you, Liv. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, everything's good. I'm just trying to help the Volt people understand. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I appreciate you guys, but, like, I got to be real. And that's the truth. You think we might get a short squeeze in equities? I don't know, man. I think, again, I've drawn this trend a lot, right? Here's the trend. Here's the long-term trend we're in. And so the next week, as we test this trend, is going to be key. You can see the trend here, right? That is going to be
smash the like before we transition, though.
Incredibly important.
Transition to what's that guy, Vaughn? Hey, we got to get Baby Bird on Sunday service. I like that too, man.
So I'm not sure about the government shutdown. I think look at this news right here. So this news
we can get Baby Bird this Sunday, man, on Sunday service. I just gotta make sure I'm behaving, you know. I gotta make sure I'm behaving. But yeah, I'm down. We can get Baby Bird on the Sunday service. I would like that actually. That would be pretty dope.
Which is good, you know.
I wanna see how he's feeling about Volt. And what he sees Volt in the future, what he wanted. Yeah, man, that'll be pretty bullish. That'll be pretty bullish. Yeah, I know, right? John was invited onto a show last night. Just dropped him a message saying he spoke well, etc.
Just wondered, do you
Which
think that-
which
yeah,
show
you
was he on?
is.
He threw it in there. Oh, it's not my opinion. That's how YouTube sees it. I mean, hey, he got the right,
I'm all good with the Vault guys team, but again, it's not something like today's GDP day. I'm not going to talk about Vault today, man. We got to cover GDP, brother, which again is coming out at 2.2% expectations. And again, it's a really nuanced one where if GDP comes in higher, that still might not be good. Because again, that means the market might fear inflation, and if GDP's higher, inflation fears are there. Because if the GDP data is higher, that means there's more spending, and more spending in inflation terms is not good; it's bad, right? So the market does not want more spending in inflation terms; they want less spending, and so more spending is not good. It's not a good thing. It's not something that the market necessarily wants to see, and yeah, ultimately, the market's going to want less spending. The market is going to want less. We're going to put it in sub-only mode as well. We appreciate the love. So subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope you guys do it. We appreciate it. $32K on the Dow. Yeah, we'll see. Again, we'll see. Jobless claims expected at 215K. Similar nuance, right? In which jobless claims expected at 215, like 215K. Higher jobless claims signals more people filing for unemployment, i.e. less people working, right? Less people working means less people spending, which in turn is better.
Hopefully you guys are subscribed. If not,
GDP data will have
just subscribe.
In my opinion, where GDP data.
This is actually a guy you can learn from.
The only other part of that, which is that.
What up, Stan? Appreciate you for being here. Right? So appreciate you. What up, bro? Vote to Morning Wood Raise. Let's fucking go. Let's get it. Or let's fucking vote. My bad.
That could also make the market push up as well.
But yeah, this is one of the guys that's actually consistent. I mean, obviously it's not crypto, but it's finances, and charts are charts. Technical analysis is technical analysis, so you can still learn and apply it elsewhere.
Yeah, appreciate it, Game.
But yeah.
Appreciate the love. I see you participating, brother. Like I said, it's not all, but
he's a cool. You can learn some shit. Sometimes I'll just be listening. And I'll be in here for 10, 15 minutes, and I'm like, oh, shit, I didn't think about that. Oh, I didn't know this was coming out. So, yeah, man, make sure y'all do subscribe to this guy. I do think he's a valuable asset to the space of financing and crypto. You got a lot of people out here who don't know what the fuck they're talking about, or just only talk about shit that's trending, and actually don't make money. And this guy's making money live. So
GDP is expected at 2.2%.
Can't really argue with the results. The results are there.
So again, we're not in a recession yet. Now, again, it's arguable about whether you think we're going to hit one or not. A lot of people think we will next year. A lot of people think we won't. Do y'all think it'll be this year though? Like in 2023, we got a minute and a half. Yeah, for sure, Aaron. I mean, but that's the name of the game, though, in markets, Aaron. So, like, one of the reasons the market gives you 10 to 12% a year on average in the S&P is because of inflation problems, right? So it's overall just keep it up with inflation anyway. So, like, the markets really just keep it up with inflation regardless. And again, that's the thing to understand is, like, long-term, the market is going to keep up with inflation. Also, guys, make sure you hit the like button and hit the live buttons.
What up, Voltistic? What up? All right, let's jump over to Vaughn, and then I'm actually going to listen to this guy while I'm taking my kids to work because I enjoy his content. So I will be back here after I end the stream. But let's go to John real quick. Or Vaughn, Vaughn, or is he not live anymore? Where'd he go? There he is. 3K people in the chat. All right. 3K in the chat. That's what's up. 3K in the chat. I'm seeing a spike in Forex trading right now. Yeah. A lot of Forex people, not even, YouTube, I'm seeing a spike too. But on like Facebook and Instagram and all this shit, I'm seeing an increase in Forex trading. It could be possibly
I was like the
be
brother that got shit passed down
um
every year. The clothes
because of I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
brother.
I'm actually just about to just start spouting shit
You know what?
out of
I
my
don't give a
ass,
shit. I
but
want my own clothes.
it
So
could
that's
be
why
because
I
of
pick up a hobby at a young age.
the
Right?
volatility with
When I was
the
13, bro,
U.S.
when I was
or I should say the tension between the U.S. and the rest of the world.
13.
People are
See,
trying to
going on
see if they can take advantage of the movements of
looking up,
currencies. Different
you
currencies
know,
maybe getting
basic marketplace.
strengthened or having more confidence in
Lying
them.
down
I
here,
don't know. But
me
I'm
lying
seeing
down here
people who was
with
talking about
$1
Forex
transactions,
in
$1 I bought
2020
gold because I didn't want to
and
lose
then
money.
gave up on it,
So
and
that
now
was
it's
me when I
coming
was
back to life.
12, 13 years old.
And those individuals, let's be real, they were just trying to get you to
Actually,
sign up
that was
under this platform so they can make bread. They wasn't really trading, they was demo trading. Those people I stay away from. But people like this, you feel me, who actually trade.
pushing up. Yeah,
Well, for one, Forex is not a scam. Just so y'all know,
push down.
it's actually legit. It's actually another type of market, just like crypto, stocks. You have Forex. That's a whole market within itself,
There's a possibility.
and it's not nothing new. It's pretty
You need
old.
to kind of close
Um,
1881 here first.
but there's a lot of well, I guess like crypto. There's a lot of scams surrounding
High
Forex
numbers come out here. Mix.
or hustles, I should say. Not necessarily scams, but hustles. People will use a demo account, act like they're making all this money, have you sign up, and then you lose money and you give up. But they made money off of you signing up for this platform,
It's you kind of move it
almost like some network marketing type shit.
it will enhance the volume for sure.
So just be careful with that, man.
I just
Be
don't know
careful with that.
now or 9. I was saying like 9:15 should be removed today, roughly around that time. I want to see this 4-hour close first, but we can get a position soon if the market prints something for us, right?
What's your take on the voted gold? This chat moves fast, so
How'd you 47?
spamming might have to be a necessity, to be honest. I wouldn't like spam a bunch of bolts, but like, you know, the comments got to be back to back for them to be seen.
Average 10% a month, yes. This is the account, right?
Oh, motherfucker. Timeout. That's probably why we haven't rated this motherfucker, bro. I get in timeout too damn quick. One comment, timeout. I'm out. I'm out. I'm gone. Fuck off. Let's rate our girl Space Chick, man. Let's do that because she wasn't feeling good the other day. Let's raid her comments. We got a couple people in here. Don't leave. Don't leave, guys. Let's raid one of Space Chick's videos. Space Chick's videos with some high voltage. Which one do we want to do? Let's do this one. It got the least amount of views. Let's help her out. All right, so let's do this for Space Chick. Let's do this for Space Chick. Let's send her some love. You know, some hope you get better. We love you. You're the best. Whatever. But let's send her some kind words in this video right here. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Please and thank you. I ask you guys, please and thank you. Toe, what up, bro? What up, though? Jim and them, what's up, my brother? What's up? What's up? All right, I dropped it in the chat. Mr. Jen NFT project. Let's rate it with some, obviously some voltage. Let's like it as well. But let's let her know we're thinking about her. She's gonna like that. She's gonna know that it came from somewhere. But don't tell her. Don't tell her that we laid the morning wood raid on Space Chick's channel. Don't tell her that. Just go do it. Just go do it silently. Come on, guys. They only got 2 comments. Let's fuck it up. Let's fuck it up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I dropped it in the chat. Let's rate it up. Let's rate it up. Let's send Space Chick some good vibes, man. Wish her well. Wish her a speedy recovery. All that good shit. I did speak with her this morning. She is, in good spirits. She's good. She's, headed back to the cribbo, which is good news. So yeah, obviously I'll let her tell whatever she wants to tell or don't want to tell, but that's neither here nor there. The point is, she is going to see this because she is on her way home. So let's give her some love. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is something this is one of ours right here. This is one of ours. Everything she does for us, the least we can do is show her some voted love and some voted support. You know, so let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Crypto Law, what up? What up? What up? We are currently about to head out, but first we are lighting up this video right here, showing Space Chick some voted love, sending her prayers, sending her best wishes, speedy recoveries, all of that shit. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it for Space Chick. That individual who wakes up every day, does a daily dose for us and for our bags and our community to keep us vibrant and kicking and going. Now we need to do that for her. We need to give her the voted energy so she can get back on her feet and get back kicking and going. So let's do that. Drop a couple. I see you, Sin. You say you did it, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I'm gonna drop a few of them. I see you. Yeah, there we go. I see some. Thank you. Yeah, there we go. My man from Slovakia dropping it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Can't wait to have you back on the Daily Dose. But take your time. We got your back. She's gonna be like, what the fuck, random video? You guys came in there and da-da-da-da. Watch. She's gonna appreciate it. Watch. Little stuff like this goes a long way. I'm telling you. I saw it, man. I saw it. Yeah, Space Chick has been supported from my side. It's nice of you, bro. Of course, man. We gotta look out for those who look out for us, man. You know, we a family. We gotta do that, man. We gotta do that. Yes. All right, guys. I'm gonna drop it in the chat one more again, just in case somebody, missed it. And then I'm gonna get going. I appreciate you guys for participating in another day of laying the voted wood on people's show, man. That's what we do. We spread the voltage. Now, when Vote takes off, what channel do you think is gonna remember us the most? Probably our boy John in the Beginners Traders chat. Now, John, obviously, man, he's not gonna be too fucked up about it because John appears to be pretty well off. But the haters in his chat, oh, they're going to be turning and tossing and turning and having nightmares and all that shit. And we just want, John and them to know that, the Vote Army's here and we see you. We appreciate you. So, also, we got that tweet. Man. If y'all want to do the super chat on Saturdays or Sundays for the people that we raid, I mean, hopefully I can find it, man, because I do a lot of fucking retweets and a lot of tweeting. So let me see if I can find it. Here we go. Ooh. 27 votes. Only 27 votes, but 500 and some views. Insane. But I'm going to drop it right here. That's the post. Go vote real quick if you haven't already when you want to do the super chat raids either on Saturdays or Sundays for the morning show. And we will pick one individual to raid with the super chats. And that will probably be the show. We'll probably just spend our time there raiding with super chats. Again, the ideal is to, if you want to do $5, maybe do $1 super chats, $10 to, break it up into $2 super chats, whatever the case may be. But we want to kind of, I know they say no spamming, but that's the whole point of the super chats, man. We want to spam it with the super chats. Hopefully, since they're super chats, they won't be as pissed. But yeah. And then once we take off, we will revisit Matt Perry and we will rate him with 99-cent super chats. Saying vote Eno, vote Eno, vote Eno, vote Eno. Vote Eno is at this market cap. You missed this many exits. Vote Eno, and we'll do that. But that we'll wait for that. Because that's more of a troll. We're more going to be trolling on that one. Laugh my ass off. I'm going to send 100 Charizard toys to him. Oh, man. He better not drop no P.O. box. I can't wait to see their tears. I know, right? Bye. Have a good day. I like the super chat raised the most. So we're going to do that either Saturday or Sunday, man. So this tweet right here, go vote. The biggest vote gets or whichever day gets the most vote is what we're going to do. And if you didn't drop a like, subscribe, or whatever, nice comment to Space Chick, please make some time to do that. She had 2 comments when we started. How many she got now? Let's see. 12. Okay, so we got 10 comments on that video in this last little time. Hopefully people who watch the replay catch this on Twitter, whatever. You make time to show some good love and show some vibes to Space Chick, who does the same for us daily. So that's it, guys. Appreciate you all for laying the wood on today's Morning Wood Rage. It's your boy YL from 317, and we out. Good shit.